Okay, so here's the Synology, the 12 bay. I have it set up here at Norman's. Over there is the battery, the PC1500, and on top here is the 10 gig Netgear switch. And I'm realizing now that this switch is actually the thing that's making the most amount of noise, because these fans here on the side are actually much louder than any of the fans on the back here, including the power ones. So there's the dual backup power, the 4 1 gig LAN ports, and then over here is the 10 gig card with the 2 ports on it, and then all this Cat 6A cabling into the Netgear switch. And like I said, I'm pretty sure this is actually louder than all of this, so there might be a better solution for that. Here's the Netgear router, some spare 10 gig Ethernet cables, a couple other parts. Alright, let's go check out the computer here. So I have this MacBook Air, which is connected by a thunderbolt, and that goes through here into the Sanlink2, and on the back here is 2 thunderbolt ports as usual, and then on the front is 2 10 gig Ethernet ports. And this cable actually coming out of here is a 100-foot cable, and it's a Cat 6A, and it's just a single connection right now to the 10 gig switch. Okay, so here's the port configuration here on the computer. So you see it says Thunderbolt, port 1 is connected, port 2 is not. It gives it an IP address just like any other Ethernet situation. And so if we hide that, I'm going to go to the Blackmagic speed test, and let me just make sure that it's set up to go to the right place here. I want it to go right to the studio share, which is correct. And over here is the network monitor. Usually I get about 200 megabytes per second in these 2 numbers here. That usually is the peak, 200 read, 200 write. And this usually maxes out around 100 megabytes per second. So let's take a look and see. Holy shit, that's pretty awesome. So I'm getting about 650, 660 megabytes per second, and let's see what the read comes out to. The read, yeah, 450, it's almost 700, and the read, it's interesting, the read takes a second to speed up. So that's pretty good. That's actually it's actually faster than a solid state drive. So that's pretty impressive. And then if we check over here, let's see what this is doing. So yeah, we're getting about the same numbers, 700. Oh, that's actually getting a read speed of 700 as well as a write speed. So maybe the Blackmagic thing is a little off here. Yeah. So anyway, so that's that, and that's the rest of the setup. I got a Mac Pro over here. I got to get a 10 gig card for that. I'm still waiting on that, and a few other little toys to play with. But yeah, good times.